How are you today? Good. Okay, let's go for freestyle touch today. We learn how to glide with your hands on the surface, okay? Don't fall your first hands. Keep your hands up. One, pull, touch your hands. Two, pull, touch your hands. Turn at number 3 to breathe on the side. I'll face in the water, touch your hand. You go to the wall, you come back on the side. All right, I don't want to see your head, guys. Show me how you do the low. One, pull. Two, pull. Turn at number 3, touch your hands. Go. Allez, next one. 1, 2, turn at number 3. 1, 2, turn at number 3. Touch your hands every time. Show me. 1 and 2 and turn, breathe, touch your hands. Go. Your turn, Rory. Head down. One hand. 2 hands. Do your bubbles, please. Turn, touch your hands. Don't show me your head so much. Alright, keep your hands on the surface and go. 1 and go. Perfect, come back. Alright, show me how you do. Head under. 1 hand. Bubbles touch. Bubbles touch. Turn, don't look up when you breathe. Turn half of your face in the water. You know how to do it. Show me correctly. 1, 2, turn, go back, touch. Good job. Aye, your turn, Rory. Don't show me your head. Head under. 1 hand. 2 hands. Really, sorry. Turn half face. Go touch your head. Okay, Rory, your turn. Don't show me your head, Rory. I saw your head too much. Remember, chin on your chest, yeah? Head down first. And 1, touch your hands. 2, touch your hands. Turn, too high. Eyes inside the water. Lower. There is good. And touch your hands. Allez. You don't have to turn your head too much. Just right here is enough to breathe, okay? Allez. Show me. Head down. Et 1, 2, l'œil dans l'eau et on rentre la tête, on touche. Tac, c'est parti, Lolotissimo. That's not too bad. You good? Allez, I will stop now.